Schechtl folding machines with CNC control are state-of-the-art tools for roofing profiles. Please have a look how fast and easy it is to form these panels on a schechtl folding machine with AutoProf CNC control. You get your data at the job site. Back in your shop, just transfer your drawing onto the screen and start a profile search function. Now, all you have to do is to adjust your flange sizes, angles and paint side, and the control automatically calculates your blank size. After preparing your blanks, start the automatic mode for your bending process. The back gauge instantly moves to the first bending position. Now push your sheet against the back gauge fingers and you are ready for the first operation. Make sure your part is not upside down and close the upper beam with the foot pedal until it is fully clamped. Release the folding beam with the middle pedal. All beam symbols on the screen are displayed in real time. While the bending beam is still on its way back, the upper beam automatically opens to the safety stop position and releases your part for the next operation. Now flip your part while the back gauge moves to the next flange size dimension. With the hemming function, you can close the slot for your counterpart. Now turn your part again to bend the first flange for the visible side. For the next bend, the back gauge moves your profile automatically to the front. Be sure your part is still in contact with the back gauge fingers. Finally, give both ends a little kick to get a watertight lock. Schechtl folding machines with AutoProf CNC controls provide parts with exceptional precision and look. Reduce your costs and enjoy the quality of your sheet metal work, together with your customers. Because Schechtl has got a solution.